Hi everyone, my name is Kajal.
Hello, my
Yeah, hi,
name is
Shivani.
So let's discuss about the Indian and the Chinese goods. So
Yeah,
what do you think? Which is better, Indian goods or Chinese goods?
so according to me, we should buy Indian products. The Indian products are developed by Indian peoples, and it will increase our economy. And Chinese goods are also very cheap, but there are products are not good in quality. So I think we should buy only Indian products. What do you think?
Yeah, we sometimes say that we should select the Indian goods, but at some time we don't have choice because because Indian companies are not manufacturing all the goods we need, and sometimes only Chinese goods are available. So I think we don't have sometimes we don't have any option other than the Chinese goods, and also Chinese goods are cheaper than the Indian goods, so it's beneficial even for poor people.
Yeah, and what about you, Jyoti?
I talk about two indices of Indian food and Chinese food. Uh,
Okay.
so, so I talk about the comparison of Indian food and Chinese food. So Indian cuisine food is a varieties of regional and traditional cuisines native to the Indian subcontinent. Food of Indian are better known for its spices. Throughout Indian, be it north and south, spices are used generally in food. Uh, I think you know that West Indian food, okay? So the
Yeah.
dessert cuisine famous for its unique taste and varieties of food. Rajasthan and Gujarat are the states that represent the dessert flavor of Indian food like dal, char in the states. And if you talk about to Maharashtra, so the food is usually a mix of north and south, north food and south food cooking style, like uh, rice, wheat, and if talk about to Goa, so in Goa that is further down towards south, one can notice influence in the consistent style as well as is in these dishes like sweet sour, dug, eggs, etc. And if talk about to Chinese food, so Chinese food is important part of Chinese culture, which includes cuisine original from diverse region of Chinese as well as from over as Chinese who have settled in a other part of world like in Chinese food. So color, smell, and taste are the three traditional aspects used to describe Chinese food as well as the meaning, appearance, and nutrition of the food. Cooking should be approached with respect to the inside used, like knife work, cooking time, and seasoning. So Chinese food like Chinese noodles, chow mein, noodle soup, uh, sealed noodles, fried rice, etc.
So, in products, the Indian market are full of Chinese goods. We can see Chinese goods in every shops in India, but the Indian goods are available on only in specific shops. So, we should encourage the Indians to buy Indian products than Chinese products.
Yes, but we can't immediately raise our industries as manpower. It will take time because of this pandemic. So we need to promote more and more startup companies to for expenditure, and also we have to increase our research and development as China is leading in um, China is leading in IT industries for
Yeah, we
making
should.
more and more products.
Yeah, correct. And we had boycott Chinese products, and this is very brave decision took by our government. And also India very well job to discontinue the Chinese apps in our Google Play Store.
Yeah.
So which is better, Indian and Chinese?
Yeah, Indian is better than Chinese.
But sometimes Chinese goods are also better.
But yeah, but sometimes we don't have options, so we have to buy Chinese goods.
Okay. So Shivani,
There are no available in Indian products now.
yes, some products is not available in India.
Yeah, and this is the duty of every citizen that in India to stop use of using Chinese products and use Indian products
Yes.
and
Yeah, we
start
can use as many as product as Indian instead of using the Chinese. Because it will last long also. It's little bit cost effective, but it will last long than the Chinese products.
Yes,
Yeah,
it is true. I am agree with you.
yeah.
India is warranty. Warranty to all products.
Yeah.
So that's it about this topic.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
Then bye. Thank you.
bye.
Right. Thank you.